Hello and welcome to Fix My Maths. Today, I'm going to help you master algebra. Let's get started.
Firstly, algebra, it looks confusing. All these letters mixed with numbers. Feels like maths suddenly turned into an English class. But here's the truth. Algebra is just about finding a missing number. That's it. Plain and simple. The letter, like x, just stands in for something we don't know yet. For example, if I say 3x plus 5 equals 11, I'm basically saying, what number can I multiply by 3 and then add 5 to get to 11? You don't need to guess. There's a simple method to work out every single time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. Alright, let's start with an easy example. 3x plus 5 equals 11. The goal in algebra is always the same. Get x by itself. Right now, x is being multiplied by 3, then has 5 added to it. To get x alone, we need to undo those operations. Basically, reverse what's being done to x. Think of it like this. If someone gave you a receipt that said, take a number, multiply it by 3 and then add 5 to get 11. To find the original number, you'd undo those steps in reverse. So what's the last thing to happen to x? We added 5. So to undo adding 5, we will subtract 5. But remember, you must do the same thing to both sides or the balance breaks. So 3x plus 5, take away 5, equals 11, take away 5, which simplifies to 3x equals 6. Now x is being multiplied by 3. To undo multiplications, we divide. That's the opposite operation. So we divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals 6 divided by 3, which gives you x equals 2. And that's it. You've solved the first algebraic equation. Now let's look at one that looks trickier but follows the exact same logic. 2x plus 4 equals x plus 9. This time, there's x's on both sides of the equation. That just means both sides have a part to play in the mystery number. So we'll move all the x's to one side to make life easier. To move the x's on the right hand side, do the opposite of plus x. So you subtract x from both sides. It means 2x take away x plus 4 equals x take away x plus 9, which simplifies to x plus 4 equals 9. Now it's simple again. Get x by itself. To get rid of the plus 4, subtract 4 from both sides. X now equals 5. That's the pattern every time. Bring your x's together and then isolate x.
Quick memory tip here. To solve for x, just reverse the order of operations.
If you want to see how this grows in a GCSE maths format, here's a sneak peek at a quadratic equation. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. You can factorize this into x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0, which means x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 3. You don't need to memorize this yet. It just shows that algebra builds step by step. Once you get this foundation, you can handle anything.
Here's another top tip. Keep numbers on one side and x's on the other, like sorting things into neat piles.
Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Algebra is just a way of finding the missing number. Keep the equation balanced. Whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other. Undo the operations in reverse in order to isolate x. If there's an x's on both sides, move them to one side first. Once you understand those steps, algebra stops feeling random and it's just logic. So if you made it this far, congratulations. You've just cracked one of the biggest hurdles in GCSE maths. Hit subscribe for more quick, simple lessons, and next time we'll tackle fractions made easy.